You're busy all day, but feel like you accomplish nothing. That's because you're spending 80% of your effort on tasks that produce 20% of your results. The Pareto principle isn't just theory. It's the most practical productivity filter that exists. Vilfredo Pareto discovered in 1896 that 80% of Italy's land was owned by 20% of the population. Since then, the 80-20 pattern has been confirmed everywhere. 20% of customers generate 80% of revenue. 20% of bugs cause 80% of crashes, and 20% of your tasks drive 80% of your meaningful output. List every task you did last week. All of them. Meetings, emails, projects, admin. Now circle the 3 or 4 tasks that actually move the needle on your most important goal. Those are your 20%. For most people, it's deep work, client delivery, and strategic planning. Everything else, the emails, the status meetings, the formatting, feels productive but isn't. Every morning, look at your task list and ask one question. If I could only do 3 things today, which 3 would matter most by Friday? Do those 3 first, before email, before Slack, before any meeting. If you finish those 3 and the rest of the day falls apart, you've still had a productive day. Most people never reach their high-impact tasks because low-impact busy work fills the schedule first. If you run a business or freelance, audit your clients. Which 20% generate 80% of your revenue? Now, check which 20% generate 80% of your stress. These are rarely the same clients. The strategy is obvious. Grow the high-revenue, low-stress segment and phase out or raise prices for the high-maintenance, low-revenue segment. This single analysis can double your effective hourly rate. 20% of your meetings produce 80% of your decisions. The rest are status updates that could be async messages. Audit your last month of meetings. Which ones led to actual decisions or unblocked work? Keep those. Convert the rest to a written update or cancel them entirely. Apply the same filter to Slack channels. Mute the 80% that produce noise, not signal. The biggest productivity killer is spending hours perfecting low-impact work. Formatting a report that 3 people will skim. Rewriting an internal email 4 times. Perfecting a slide deck for a weekly stand-up. Apply the 80% rule in reverse. For tasks in the low-impact category, good enough is the goal. Save your perfectionism exclusively for the 20% that matters. Find your 20%. Do it first, do the rest good enough. That's the entire 80-20 system. I linked a free 80-20 audit worksheet in the description. Subscribe for productivity filters that cut through the noise.